This SLX ETF, I think it needs more sideways. I think it needs the 50-day to catch up before the steel stocks can finally go. NIU. Yeah, that's actually a good setup. It's in a short-term uptrend. It's up like 30%, had a little bit of sideways. Now it's been surfing the 10-day, and that's at 2 tight days in a row, and it's breaking out of this range. Now, unfortunately, it's, below all these moving averages, but it doesn't necessarily matter. Just not my type of setup. But they can absolutely work. Yeah, CLOV, I don't trust it. I'm short some in case it just fails. But the thing is, everyone expects it to do the same thing as AMC and go up like 500% or something, 600. This thing only went up like 300%. But I don't trust it. I think, Clove could easily double from here. Like easily. Like super easily. What's SC doing now? Oh, yeah. Annoying one. It just had to take out the lows of the day. There was a chance to get back in. But I didn't take it. RVLV 4 star. I don't know where you get 4 stars from. I would say maybe 2 stars. It needs way more sideways. Man, SPYs look really coiled. SPYs look like we want to go to 450 or something. Or maybe even high 400s. That would be epic. X, that's an ugly reversal. But if it could pull back, build another higher low on the daily or 60-minute, could look good later, tomorrow or next week. Yeah, silver, I really like this one. Man, this thing has the potential to go up, I don't know, 50%. And the HEQ is a triple ETF, so yeah, I have some high hopes. Futu Tiger, yeah, they need a few more days, at least 2-3, all of them. Tuya, yeah, looks pretty good. Ideal a few more days so the 20 they can catch up. Looks pretty good. Recent IPO. LIXBEV, I think these things could be short ideas. Like they've been up for like a month straight. They're not like super extended, but they are running into some weakness here. I'm not gonna do them, but these types of trades can very easily pull back to the 10, maybe even the 20 day. DV, yeah, another recent IPO, yeah. Recent IPO breakouts can be very powerful, since they're usually low float, and many times they're kind of exciting, exciting businesses. Like it's the first time you get to buy like a certain business. I mean, for example, if you compare to something like Futu, it's been around for years, right? But there could be like some fund just discovers this. They're like, oh wow, we'll love this business. Yeah, another one. Yeah, this was beautiful. Oh my god, this one here, this 21 area. Yeah, this is called the tiny account edge. Man, tiny account edge. You get all of these fast moving stocks. IHT, yeah, that one. Yeah, it initially broke out here, but I think you would have gotten stopped out potentially. But there was a re-entry here on the 60-minute in the low 9s, or maybe even the mid 8s. I mean, this is a perfect looking flag. Like it can't get more perfect than this. IDEX. IDEX is also bad. Where's the setup in this thing? Where's the explosivity? Lizzie. Yeah, it's flagging nicely. Like this is explosivity. Look at this. It was up 77% in one day. Now it's been in an orderly pullback, surfing the 10-day and getting tighter. Looks good. Tesla looks like a short. Yeah, I don't know. It's inside of a range. It's hard to tell. It's building lower highs, building higher lows. It's too early to tell. But yeah, it hasn't bounced. If you look at the other ones, LI, XBEV, NIO, these things put in some decent bounces, 30 to 50% bounces. Tesla, this thing, what, 10%, 12%? It's definitely... Oh, Clove got a cover more. Well, looks like a hooked one. Damn. I just wish I had caught some on opening range lows. I didn't. I started shorting when it started hitting this VWAP on a bounce, and then I added. Like, look at this intraday bear flag, and another one here. Look, oh my god, this is so textbook. CLOV, I have half size, less than half left. It's a big move. I mean, it's already down 30% from the highs. If you can put in a big bounce towards VWAP, I'll add back some. U1, it's far from being a short setup. Wow, yeah, WPG was pretty much almost a 5-star. Would have been better if it hadn't gapped up, since it gapped up, faded, and then found support on 10 EMA. But on the daily, oh my god, it looks so amazing. Oh my god. 165% in one day, not bad. Well, I mean, these types don't need to surf the 10-day. These things are so explosive. Like the range is, you can clearly see the range. Higher lows, the clean range. This is a textbook high tide flag. TGB, yeah, good setup. I like it. Or is it a bit extended? No, I don't know. Yeah, not bad. Wow, this thing has a history of making big moves, then failing big, and then making big moves again. What a roller coaster. Classic commodity stock. Snapchat. Yeah, that's one I've been... Oh, it's already at yesterday's highs. Oh, please, 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 can it go sideways a few more days? Let the 20-day catch up. Please, 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 please. CrowdStrike is starting to look good too. Shopify needs... it looks ready on a weekly. I wish I was at all-time highs, but I'm still in a drawdown since about mid-March. I kind of, because I minimized some opportunities, like AMC and BB last week when I bought them. Those were big opportunities, and AMC, yeah, I minimized them both. I didn't size correctly. AMC, like I talked about, I didn't want to chase 30 cents. Or not even 30, yeah, about 30 cents to add. So I missed a $30 move because I didn't want to chase 30 cents. And that cost me like 3 million. And BB2, I didn't size correctly. I could have done much more size. I should have. I mean, it was such a textbook thing, both on intraday and on the like 60-minute. Oh, this Chio. Man, why don't I just follow? What's this other one? CXW? Oh, it's already took out the highs. What's the news on this thing? Man, I should have checked it pre-market, but again, got home a little bit too late. The news on this thing. Oh man, that 950-ish, 960-ish break intraday. Oh my god, what a beautiful break.